What's up, traders? So this video is going to be a really quick one. If you don't know me, I'm Emmy, and I've been documenting my trading journey here on this YouTube channel. So do me well to subscribe to this channel. So in this video, all I'm really gonna be talking about is how I handle loss and how you should handle your own losses. Losses are unnegotiable. You get, whether you like it or not, you are going to encounter losses, and that is a pure fact. That's like number one thing about trading. You get, so that's why new traders face to understand. I see many new traders that thinks that their mentor doesn't take losses. You get, that things that profitable traders don't take losses. That's why anytime any profitable trader or any mentor posts their loss, you will see them attacking them in the comments or anyhow. You get, and that's what new traders think, that profitable traders doesn't encounter loss. And I'm here to break it to you. Losses are unnegotiable, whether you want to lose or whether you don't want to lose. Matter of fact, nobody wants to lose, but it is there for a reason. You get, so this video, I don't want to be talking too much, you get, but this is how I personally manage my losses. So firstly, you need to know why you are losing, because every trade, I repeat, every losing trade has a lesson to pass out. You get, every losing or even winning trades has a lesson to pass to you. You get, so if you are losing because you break your rule, you already know why you are losing, because you broke your rule, and that's the worst loss that you can ever take. You get, when you know that you broke your rule and the trade ends up being a loss, that's the worst one. And secondly, what you need to know is, how are you creating the losses? You get, I know not only me, millions of traders, even the profitable mentors, you get, they feel emotional when taking losses. You get, but the difference between me and most traders is, I do feel emotional anytime I take loss, but the emotion that I feel is that, what did I do wrong? You get, what did I do wrong? And if I go down to my journal anytime, because that's why every single trade I take, I must journal it down. So if I go to my journal, I recheck and check every single little mistakes that I made for that trade. You get, once I'm done with that, I will make sure I don't repeat it. You get, there is nothing like a perfect model. The more you keep trading, the more you keep building your model. That's simply it. And firstly, the best advice that it has saved me a lot of stress till today is, reduce your risk when you are in drawdown and increase your risk when you are in profit. You get, I see many traders, not like many, like a lot, even mentors, and I'm very sorry to break the rule, there are a lot of mentors that are promoting that habit, to risk higher from, like, when you are in drawdown, to risk higher so that you can live, like, you can get out of drawdown easily. I see many mentors that does that, and that is what is pushing our new traders to that habit. I'm really here to tell you the truth. If you trade that way, you are going to fail. You are going to keep failing until you learn how to correct that mistake. Stop adding risk when you are in drawdown because you want to get out of drawdown easily. Instead, use the model I use. This is the way I trade. You get, if for instance I trade per-firm accounts, so if the daily drawdown or the overall drawdown is 10%, I'm only going to be risking 1% until I'm down 5% or 4%. You get, then when I'm down 4%, I reduce my risk to 0.5%. That shit has helped me countless of times. Stop trying to add your risk. Some people get into a little drawdown and add their risk just so that they can leave broke down. Like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? What the fuck is you doing? That's what I'm going to say to you guys. Stop adding your risk whenever you are in drawdown. One common mistake that everyone makes is not being able to leave the chart any time you take a loss. Like, what are you doing? You get, if you take a loss and you know for sure that that loss is a good loss, you get, like, you wasn't liquidated, that you followed your plan and the trade end up being a loss, why won't you leave the chart and go drink some water or go touch grass? Some people keep forcing a day, to be like a winning day to them. Sorry, you can never force a day to be a winning day to you. You get, whether you like it or not, the market is going to do whatever it wants to do. Do you understand? So if you take a loss, I only give 2 attempts in one setup. You get, if I try the first attempt, maybe I got stopped at break even, I'm going to try the second attempt. It is as easy as that. Stop trying to force a day to be a winning day. If you lose a trade, bro, agree, raise your hand up like this and leave the freaking chat. Journal, and you will know the reason why you lost the trade. You get, journal trades. That's one important thing that is going to save you a lot of stress. You know, some people are trying to avoid the stress of journaling trades, but not knowing that journaling trades is going to save you a lot of stress. You get, to journal your trade is not even stressful. You get, to backtest is not stressful. Stop being a lazy trader. You get, because if you are working a 9 to 5, you don't have any option to choose if you are going to be sitting down on your laptop for like 1 hour. You don't have any option. You are going to be there for how long they want you to be there. So stop being a brat. You can't cheat the market. The market has already been here even before they gave birth to your dad. You can't freaking cheat the market. That's the mistake I see people do. If you take a loss, I agree that is a loss. Trying to force out a setup is another major mistake that brings loss. You get, bro, if you have been sitting down for like 3 hours, 4 hours and you didn't find any setup, bro, leave that freaking chat, go and rest, go and drink water. You get, because if you stay for long, you are going to force out breakup structure, even if there is not even any stupid breakup structure, but you are going to be saying shit. The market is going to be showing you stupid ass setup that trust me, if you take that setup, you are going to get stopped out. But if you don't take it, it is going to play out. You know, have you ever had a feeling like you are going to see a wonderful setup, but if you take it, it is going to be a loss? But if you don't take it, trust me, it's going to play out really, really clean. The market is very tempting. So the market, I know this. I'm not just speaking from I'm not just saying because I want to say it. I've learned it from experience. You get, it's better not to take any trade than to take a loss. You get. So firstly, my advice to you new traders, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You get, trust me, you are going to be here for at least a year of not being profitable. You are going to spend a lot of time. You are going to sacrifice a lot of things. Even your friends are going to leave you. You get, but the only way you are going to win in this game is if you don't give up. So trust me, don't give up. I personally, it's not that I'm profitable yet, but I'm not even trying to give freaking up. You get, that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, comment, just to boost out the video.